My dear brothers and sisters of this world, the sons and daughters of this Mother Earth, good day to you all. सबको मेरा प्रणाम, नमस्ते, नमस्कारम, आदाब, वणक्कुम, मरहबा, बोंजो, सैल्यूट, होला, konnichiwa, ni hao. How are you today? Today, at this moment, I just want to put some light on the definition of the word development. Can you tell me what is development? Yes, I can hear from you that development means having education in a luxurious school. Move to a big city and get a sitting job in a luxurious office. Build a luxurious house. Have a luxurious car. Have dining at a luxurious restaurant, etc., etc. Right? This is the modern definition of development. But what is the result of this luxury? Okay, first of all, what is luxury? It is nothing but stopping physical movement. Am I right? It is as simple as that. This nature has made this body to move, but we are challenging it and stopping that movement. So, what is the result? It is creating a virus. I mean, a body which was not used the way it is designed to be by the nature will get all the diseases like diabetes, BP, obesity, heart problems, vision problems, etc., etc. It means we are creating a virus within ourselves. Right? Am I right? Now that we have created a virus, we have to create a antivirus also. So, what is that antivirus? Yes, anybody can answer? Yes, it is the hospitals. Again, we create luxurious antivirus. I mean, luxurious hospitals, and surrender ourselves to these hospitals. So, it is a process of spoiling ourselves first and then try to recover. Right? So, this process of creating virus and then the antivirus is called as development. This so-called development is solely driven by our mind's needs, not our body's requirements. Okay, what are the other viruses we are creating? 1. Creation of carbon dioxide through vehicle and industrial emission, and create breathing problems and other health problems. One more virus creation that I can see is in children. How? Yes, by snatching all the childhood activities and needs of the children, like play, mother's care, genuine nature's food, etc., etc., and make them get premature old age like obesity, vision problem, and many more. Moreover, parents are using their children as their prestige symbol and status symbol, unfortunately. Children are stuck between the triangle of present education system, parents' ambition, and education institutions' hunger for money. Dear friends, as you all know Inside this Mother Earth, there are lot of high temperature molten materials, various poisonous liquids and gases, and so many other dangerous things. But Mother Earth is keeping all these dangerous things inside her. And on the outside surface, she has given a very pleasant things called the Panchabhutas, meaning the five elements called soil, water, heat, air, and the space suitable for animals, birds, and plants to live. The Mother Earth has given all the amenities required for her sons and daughters to live happily. See the beautiful earth surface, the beautiful oceans and seas, the seven continents. See the beauty of earth starting from the Arctic Ocean around North Pole. Then the beautiful North American continent, including the Northern Lights, Snowfall, Niagara Falls, Grand Canyon, Prismatic Springs, Horseshoe Bend, White Sands, and many more. Look at the beautiful Amazon River, Iguazu Falls, the Amazon Forest, Lencois National Park, Perito Moreno Glacier, Salt Flats, and much more in the South American continent. The beautiful Nile River, Victoria Falls, Sahara Desert, and lot more in the African continent. The spectacular mountains, lakes, and snowfall in Europe. Then the beautiful and unique landscapes including Travertine Terrace, Elephant Rock, Aldiza Valley, Rab al Khali, Hatta, Sand Dunes of Liva, Salala, nice beaches, and not limited to these in the Middle East region. Then to the east, the most populous and biggest continent, Asia, with Western Ghat along the Arabian Sea. The beautiful Himalayas. And surrounded by rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra on the south, Indus or Sindhu River on the west, Yangtze River, which is world's third longest on northeast of Himalayas, and other rivers and mountains. Then further to the east, the beautiful Australian continent with the Great Barrier Reef and other beautiful landscapes. Then the southernmost continent of Antarctica on the South Pole with ice-covered landmass. Wow! Every land on this planet is unique and beautiful. Are we not lucky? Are we not lucky to be born on this wonderful planet? Yes or no? Yes, it is, yes. But the most intelligent animal called human is trying to challenge this Mother Earth and is trying to spoil and disturb the balance set by her and this universe. He's taking all the poisonous liquids and gases from inside the earth and releasing to this atmosphere. Glaciers are melting. We are not bothered. Carbon dioxide level is increasing day by day. We are not bothered. Ozone layer is depleting. We are not bothered. Forests are set fired. We are not bothered at all. Children are getting premature old age. We are not bothered, dude. We are bothered only about the single letter word. Which is that single letter word? Yes, it is I. I am the boss. I want to be richer. I want to be powerful. I want to be better than him. I want to get first rank. Everywhere and I. The word we is slowly disappearing. Dear friends, we have killed all the other animals and plants created by this nature. Now we are in the process of killing other humans, and finally we will be killing ourselves just to satisfy this single letter word. One more thing I want to ask you, my dear friends. What city is ultimately producing that is required for this body? You know one thing, in this modern world, there is an unfortunate and dangerous trend that most of the children from the heaven, I mean the villages, wants to move to the city. They want to restrict themselves to the four walls. It's all because of the type of education we are getting. Present education is making our children not to touch the soil. It is taking us all in one direction. It is unfortunate that the farming, the agriculture, which is supposed to be the supreme job and because of which this body exists, is not considered as a job in this modern world. ಕೋಟಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಟಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯೇ ಮೇಲು. But farming, which is the backbone of any society, is not being given status or value in this modern society. All the remaining luxury related jobs are only considered as a job. It is because the modern education is only focusing on city life, money, the competition to be richer, to be superior than others, luxury, etc., etc. The modern education is only leading us to an artificial world and making us robots. And we like to be in this artificial world, unfortunately. More importance is being given to the mind's needs rather than the body's needs. As you all know, we exist till this body survives. Dear friends, the so-called technology is not something we, the human, has created. It's already there and is part of this universe. We have only invented it. It is unfortunate that we are totally misusing it to use it against this nature, which means we are using it against ourselves. Right or wrong? What happened in the world wars? Technology was developed and was used against the humanity. Many people were killed and this nature was destroyed to some extent. Who won? No one. Who won? No one. Even the so-called powerful leaders are no more. Dear friends, we all are guests to this world. Live for some 60 to 80 years and go back to this soil. So,
रुके नहीं
why we are so much uneasy about this life? Why we are so greedy? Why this competition to suppress others and make them down even though we know that we are short-lived? When this universe itself has no boundary, nobody knows where it starts and ends. So why we are putting boundary to ourselves in this small world? Life is so simple. Its theory is like this: take care of your body, live happily and peacefully. That's it. When life is so simple, why we are complicating it? Because of the waves, cyclones, tornadoes and earthquakes within our mind. Why can't we control our mind through yoga and meditation instead of trying to control it through various complicated and destructive methods? Now it is a quiz time for you. Can you tell me at what speed the earth rotates around the sun? At what speed? Anybody? Yes, it is 1 lakh kilometer per hour. Means 100,000 kilometer per hour. 100,000 kilometer per hour. The next question is, at what speed this solar system rotates in this Milky Way galaxy? Yes, it is at a speed of 8 lakhs kilometer per hour. Means 800,000 kilometer per hour. Means we are moving at a speed of 800,000 kilometer per hour in this universe. Still, we don't feel it, right? Wow! What a wonderful roller coaster we are sitting in. What a sophisticated system it is. Dear friends, this earth and solar system itself is a small particle in front of this whole universe. So what we are? What are we? Where this single letter word I stands? I know you will not like this video because it is a bitter truth. Apriyasya tu patyasya vakta shrota cha durlabha. But truth will remain truth always. It is only a matter of time to realize. Loka samastha sukhino bhavantu. May the whole world live in happiness. Let us leave this Mother Earth worth living for the future generation. Matru Devo Bhava. A salute to the Mother Earth and this universe. A salute to you all. Thank you.